Hello, welcome to this tutorial on the FastFlood modeling platform. Today we're going to have a quick look at how you can get access to detailed flood hazard information around your own location or anywhere on Earth. And we're going to use the new FastFlood Global platform to do this. So at the moment I'm on the FastFlood website and I'm going to click on FastFlood Global to go directly to the platform. Now with this new platform, it's really as simple as saying what is the location that I'm interested in and what is the type of scenario that I want to use, whether that's a moderate event, extreme rainfall event, or a forecast. Now at the moment, I'm going to select my current location and I'm going to select a moderate event, which is a precipitation event that would happen once every 25 years. Now this is already rather extreme, but this would lead to a sort of moderate flood for such an area. As you can see, the FastFlood Global modeling core is able to put together near instantly for you the required data and model for you the potential consequences of such a flood event for your region. Now, if we want to look at this at a more three-dimensional view, we can click the 3D button at the top right of the screen. And then we can also directly select individual building elements to look at the maximum flood depth that is experienced by them during such an event. Now, like I mentioned, this is not just possible for your own area, but this is really available globally, wherever you would like to do this. So when we click on the map in some other location, we can directly also visualize the flood risk there as well, whether that's nearby and we want to see the runoff patterns generated from the forested area that go into the village here, or whether that's further away, taking us to the center of Paris, for example. And if we click on the map, we can specify again what kind of event we want. Now, in the legend below, you can see for the current location that is highlighted on the map what the flood depth is going to be and what the potential consequences during such a flood might be at that particular location. Thank you for taking the time to have a look at this video. You can find other tutorials on our YouTube channel as well, and I wish you all a good day.